The next 48 hours, we are going to be showing you the best places to eat in Leavenworth.
They have really done up this town to look like Bavaria. And pretty much all the restaurants are German themed.
Our first mission in Leavenworth is to find a place to eat some lunch. Probably German food. But there's a lot of places to eat here, so we might have a hard time choosing, and they're all very cute. All right, Kevin, of course, has led us to a sausage place with beer, I'm assuming. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
They have mulled wine. Alert. They have mulled wine. Now this is more like a German Christmas. Oh, it's so good.
Thank you. So as should be the case with any great beer garden, they've just got a ton of variety when it comes to mustards. And they also had apple cider sauerkraut, which I've never tried before, but sounds very appropriate for today. Well, those sausages were just as good as I expected them to be, but now I think we need to get something.
There's a golden retriever wearing a sweatshirt. I'm sorry.
Yep.
I can't handle it.
But now I think we need to go get something sweet, and I've heard a must-visit place in Leavenworth is the gingerbread factory.
There are gingerbread houses on display, gingerbread kits so you can make your own, and of course, gingerbread men. But if you don't like gingerbread, they have everything else like cupcakes and snickerdoodles and cinnamon rolls, stuff like that.
Coffee.
And coffee, of course. Espresso.
I don't know when the last time I actually had a gingerbread man was. Probably like 20 years ago.
No, don't eat me.
Not bad. Oh no! Gingerbread down.
There's crumbs in my hair. I'm a slob. After dark, this place takes on a whole different vibe as the 500,000 twinkle lights come on. Lots of Christmas lights, I love it.
So there are no shortage of places to get a drink in this town, but we decided to come to the Icicle Brewing Company, which is one of the most popular spots in town. It seems like almost every single restaurant serves Icicle beer, and they have a pretty unique place that you can drink upstairs. Hello!
Willkommen! Gondolas. Makes me feel like we're in Switzerland, honestly.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a brewery that has gondolas inside that you can sit in and enjoy a beer.
We have heard one of the best places to get German food in Leavenworth is Andreas Keller restaurant. You have to make a reservation to get in, and we've sort of made like a soft waitlist reservation, so we're gonna go down and see if we can actually eat food in that restaurant.
For lunch today we came to the Rhein Haus, which is another German themed restaurant. They have an awesome outdoor patio area, but we decided to sit inside because it's pretty cold out. We got some warm soups. I got a beef goulash. Kelly got a broccoli cheddar soup. A sausage, which is called the Munich. So yeah, pretty much we're eating German food every meal of this entire trip.
No trip to Leavenworth would be complete without a Bavarian-style pretzel. We're eating dinner tonight at Colchuck's, which is upstairs above Stein Beer House.
They give you beer cheese, stone ground mustard, and something called Obazna.
Tonight we're sharing a dish. This is a bit of a twist on traditional German food. It is Bavarian braised brisket on a bed of sage spätzle. Say that 5 times fast. The food at Colchuck's was very good, highly recommended, but to be honest, we have not had a bad meal since we've been in Leavenworth. All the food has been really good. If you like this video, you will love our other Christmas market videos.